Okay, box number 4 of 6. Let's see what's in this guy. So here's another black and white called Waterhole. This is another, it's a large scale print, but the motif is fine, so it's really great to chop up. Good black and white. There we go. And then this one looks like a new one too, at least for us, Spirit Place. This one's by Bernadine Wallace. Very, very versatile print. Spiritual Women by Chandra Conway. I love this one. It has these wonderful spheres on it with tiny, tiny little dots. It's so hard to print these clearly, and M&S does a fabulous job with their artwork. And, okay, this one's going to last about 5 minutes. This is Wild Bush Flowers. Now, this is a perennial favorite, great for borders, great to fussy cut, one block wonders, things like that. Oh my goodness. A total multicolor print, very happy, very lively. We have Spirit Place, again in another colorway. This one is called Black. Okay. Spirit Place in Burgundy. How about that? That's a new colorway. Beautiful. And here is Women's Body Dreaming. Now, we got this one in before, but we had to wait for it to be printed again. And I know a few of you are out there waiting and waiting for this, so hurry up. Here it is. I don't think it'll last the weekend. And then we have Wild Seeds, very coveted, kind of a orangey yellow gold color. Really, really nice accent color. And I believe we've had this one before too, Wild Coconut. This one is very popular for borders and for big blocks. And this is Women's Body Dreaming. Let's see if it actually says orange or if it says yellow. It is mustard. Okay, so that's the mustard colorway. And I believe this is a new one. Oh boy. So this one is Women's Business. And the Women's Business we had before was yellow. So now we have another colorway. I'll let Bill show you the other side. Very exciting, a nice burgundy color, beautiful. It's called Charcoal. So again, you can see that the names don't always match what we perceive as the color. And then Women's Business, now this is the one that there was a big home run last time we got it in. So I'm very happy to have it again. 2 more boxes to go.